Little score. And I'm gonna put all these in one bag, and let me just slide them up here, make some room. I might share these in 2 different parts of the video. I'm not sure how long I've been going through these. I'm just soaking it all in, very excited. So far, I think, I don't know. I know these Cobra Officer and Soldier are not, I have them in decent condition. I'll have to look at what I have, the symbols and stuff. Not just off. I know I have at least 1 or 2 each that are in really good condition. It's just, guys, look at that. That is beautiful. How many do you need? Do you troop build them? Do you not troop build them? Especially in that great of condition. I'm not sure what to do. So we'll figure that one out in the next time. This looks like a lot of vehicles in here and blueprints. And I don't know why, but I am a sucker for file cards and blueprints. I just can't get enough of them. So, and look here. Wow. So this looks like docks. Manic. Looks like we have different attack vehicle vamp. That's what it says on there. I'm not sure, but I see Dragonfly's landing gear here. And as I was saying, here's the cow blueprint. It's nice. Here's the Vamp 2 blueprint. Very cool. And this just looks like a bag of all kinds of different vehicles. It's cool. I don't even know. Is this even GI Joe? There's a gas can. Vamp. Is that even Joe related? I'm not sure. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. This is the Mountain Howitzer, GI Joe Mountain Howitzer. Very cool. Just blueprints. Right, don't have that. See, that looks pretty cool. Very nice. And the blueprints, always cool to have. All right. I'm going to put that back in the bag in case anything breaks off of it. Clean those up. And Cobra Salt Pod. I have this in pretty good condition. This is one thing I don't have, the blueprints, and they look pretty toasty, but hey, a little blood on there from the 80s. I don't know. It's pretty nice. Let's see if I can't lay this down. Make it a little bit smaller. Skyhawk. This looks like it's pieces, but I do have the directions there, so that's pretty cool. This is what happens when you get when you buy large lots like this from people that want to jump. Definitely don't have this complete, so it's very nice with the blueprint. And how does this look? Definitely not complete, but hey. What I was saying is you buy these large lots like this and from someone's collection, you know, you might, like for me, I'll have a piece, and I might have it for a while before I can get the Swamp Skier Chameleon. That looks complete. And I've got the blueprints. That's very cool. And I like the blueprints, especially if they display and they're clean like this, white. Just looks cool. And one day maybe I'll get the box, and then I'll have something that really displays and looks good. So this looks complete. It's just been not taken care of for a while and not been actually tried to put together nicely. So, but I can do that. Doesn't have the stickers been look like the stickers have been even applied to it. I'm taking the directions out. I'm going to maybe put them in between a book or do something like that, and trying to flatten them out. It's cool. Manta. Windsurfer? Not windsurfer. This has been a score for me, just with some really cool figures. And if hopefully that's complete, that's going to, I'll tell you, they've done a good job. The child that has put these together and kept them in these bags. That's pretty cool. And there's a snow job. Looks like we've got ammunition, different things in here. GI Joe miscellaneous. Some battle stands. Don't use these battle stands, guys. Goodness gracious. These came with some figures, but mostly with the battle accessories. I'm such an idiot. I don't know, maybe a couple months ago put a pretty nice figure on it. And it ended up, I think it was a Duke, to just see, man, it just busted the back heel of them. So don't use them. Just set them to the side. I mean, they're cool to have, but they there's some really nice. Put that over here. Really nice stands out there that you can get that will keep your Joes from being definitely from breaking and stuff like that. So yeah, don't try it. Don't be an idiot like me. I've got a really good claw, Cobra claw, but now I've got the blueprint. Very nice. Very nice. GI Joe snake. Hopefully it's complete. Got about 4 of these now. Definitely need to go through and possibly get rid of them, but that looks a little crusty, but hey, who cares, right? What is this? The ram. I don't have a ram. Very nice. And so it's missing the handlebars here, but that looks, got the saddlebags. Handlebars, looks like possibly somebody in the day has put, I don't know, maybe a touch of glue on it to keep it on there, but that looks good. And definitely the blueprints. Looks very nice. Cool. So several different vehicles, lots of accessories, a lot of different figures. Let's see. All right, there's 3 that's broke, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 complete, and a lot of vehicles. And how many blueprints? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 blueprints. Very cool. I think this is a major score for me, and we'll have a whole lot of fun going through this. It was fun, and I've enjoyed sharing it with you. But thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. See you next time, Joe fans.